Hello Bangalore, welcome to NG Store at HSR Layout. We are India's largest end-to-end gardening brand. We have our own manufacturing of FRP, roto, ceramic and plastic. This enables us to have 100% control. If you're planning your garden and trying to budget size most today at NG, I'm giving you a quick price tour. From our 4-inch starters to our massive 20-inch floor planters, I'll show you the lowest price for every size. Our products are designed based upon the feedback from the gardeners and the gardening community. With over 5 years of experience in each of these verticals, we have studied the demand and the available products and ensured continuous improvement in our offering suited to you, the plant lovers. We have products starting from 4 inches and it goes up to 20 inches, available in both red and black color. Even the plates that you can see here starts from 4 inches and goes up to 20 inches. Products are of higher weight because it is thicker than the same size of the product available in the market, which means a 10-inch pot of the same weight which is available in the market means a 8-inch pot, if weight is 130 gram, in the market the same size will weigh 20% lesser. That is where we have a better quality product at a better price. Here we are showing you the different sizes of pots that are available with us. This is a 6-inch pot. This one is a 8-inch pot. So when we say 8-inch, it will measure 8-inch and we are very particular about the sizes, the quality that we offer. These are the different sizes that we are showing you. This is a 10-inch pot. Next comes the 12-inch pot. Price for the 12-inch pot is only 78 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. You will not get at this price any other place. It is because we are the manufacturers, we are able to give you at this particular price at the NG store, which is in HSR Layout Sector 1, opposite NIFT College. So the prices that I was telling you is same for both black and red. The 14-inch pot is only 100 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. A 14-inch pot is only 100 rupees. 20-inch, the maximum size that we have is 450 rupees. This is the weight that we are showing you. This is a 4-inch pot that will weigh 40 grams. Next is a 6-inch pot which is weighing around 70 grams. A 8-inch pot weighing 130 grams. A 10-inch pot weighing 220 grams and the pricing is just 50 rupees. A 12-inch pot weighing 350 grams and only 78 rupees. Yes, 78 rupees. 14 inches 510 grams. Price is only 100. 100. You will not get at this price anywhere. So visit NG on 27th Main, opposite NIFT College at HSR Layout. Our products are supplied to more than 800 nurseries in Bangalore itself, and we are the market leaders in south of India. We do not cut corners on any of these aspects. So you can be rest assured of the quality and the specifications of the products. The 10-inch pot, the top dia will also be 10 inches. This is a 12-inch pot with the dia of 12 inches. A 14-inch pot with again the width of the pot being 14 inches. What are you waiting for? Come to NG and grab your choice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for the notification enable the bell icon.